We've all been there, scrolling through YouTube, only to come across a viral video that's got us questioning everything. But what if the truth was out? Beneath the surface of this seemingly authentic footage lies a tangled web of deceit. It turns out that the video was generated using AI tool Midjourney, exposing the entire operation as a clever ruse. The art of creating believable fake videos has come a long way. But what does this say about our trust in online content? As we dig deeper into the world of online misinformation, one question remains: how can we distinguish reality from fabrication? So, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, the truth is always just a click away.